guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, you're most welcome. Please join the family. Waste no time. Yes, waste no time. Click the subscribe button down in the below and join the family. Thank you. So today's video, I'm going to, like the title says, I'm going to be trimming my ends. Yes, take a look at this. You're going to be needing a white tooth comb, any detangler of your choice, of course, is scissors, rat tail comb, and maybe this one. So last night or yesterday evening, I washed and deep conditioned my hair. So I forgot to add, you're also going to be needing some hair clips. So I'm standing beside in front of a mirror so I can try and get it right. So I'm going to work this section 2 times. First, you want to go in with a white tooth comb, then follow up with a not so white tooth comb, and then with your detangler. So the purpose of getting rid of your split ends or trimming your ends is not so your hair grows long. No, it's not trimming your ends that makes your hair grow long. What trimming your split ends does for you is it helps you to retain length, and also generally so your hair can appear better. Like I said, I had done a mini twist video. I recorded it, but boy, it looked horrible. I'm going to insert a picture. I think I still have the. Oh no, I finally got rid of the video. I mean, it was so painful to have recorded all that process and then not being able to upload it because it just did not look good. I'm going to insert the picture so you can see. So let's move on.
To be sure if I need to
So the brush, you can see. I don't know if you can see. It's still some of the uneven ends peeking through. It's about this much. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? You guys, look at how much. Look at. Can you see? So you're going to basically cut where your hair stops to appear thick. Like you can see from here to this point, I can see through my strands. What we're cutting off. That is what we cutting off. I was struggling with using my phone screen as the mirror, so I surrendered.
I need the mirror for this.
So I'm going to twist this section together and check further if there's still some snipping to be done.
And of course, look at it. So, you're going to be doing that too. This much.
To avoid boring you with all of these steps, I decided to just speed up the process of doing the rest of the hair, and then I'll catch you when I get to the front section. Stay tuned. Now we're done with the back section. Now we're going over the steps again. We're going to go in first with the white tooth comb. Yes, to make sure that the hair is, as detangled as it can get. That way you can run a not so white tooth comb through it. But yeah, I just went in straight with my detangler because my hair was already detangled. Then for more visibility of the split ends, I'm going in with a rat tail comb. You guys, you can see that this front section, the ends are quite uneven. So we're gonna snip, snip, snip. Then twist, twist, twist in check again for anyone that we missed. So if you've watched this long, then that means you like what you're seeing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I do not know what exactly you're waiting for. So please join the family and subscribe to our channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Yes, it helps me a lot. Come on, just hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. Yes, thank you. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned a thing or two, and you'll definitely be able to practicalize this and give yourself a good trim at home. Yes, basically we're here to help one another to achieve our hair goals. And with that being said, if you enjoyed today's video, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like, yeah, of course, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.